What is going on, guys? Welcome to Gregulous TV. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Google's Pixel Buds Pro to an Android phone and an iPhone. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. So we'll do the Android phone first. Make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. Once you know that it's turned on, just open these up and they should show up over here on your Android phone. There you go. You'll see Pixel Buds Pro. Hit connect. Download the device app on Google Play to see all available features. So we're going to download the app. We're going to download and install this Google Pixel Buds app. All right, it's asking if you will allow it to find. All right, so we're going to hit get started. I accept. Try on the earbuds for the best fit. I'm just going to put these in my ears. And if you want, you can obviously change the bud sizes. Check your ear tip seal. A good seal helps cancel out noise around you using active noise cancellation mode so that you're fully immersed in your music. So we can do check now if you want and check that out. And then once you hit finish on that, all you have to do, and you can see like different things we'll do in here. You can swipe forward to change and raise the volumes. If you want, you can stay up to date and send emails to yourself on things like that. Automatic updates, your earbuds will automatically update as you use your buds. Opt out anytime, hit next. Get help from Google Assistant. I'm gonna hit continue because I do want help with that. I do like having Google Assistant on there. All right, great, continue. I'm gonna agree to voice match. I've already done that, so it's easy to just like click next, next, next. So one of the things that you can set up on here is on the right earbud, you can have it use like your Google Assistant, and then maybe on the left, you want it to do your active noise cancellation on there. So it depends. You can switch it around you want, or you can have them both do the same thing. But I would probably have like one of them do the active noise cancellation on and off, and then I'd have the other one do to talk to the assistant. Once you're good with that, hit next. If you want, you can allow your notifications to be read out for you. And if you want it to be able to read out your notifications, you just need to turn on Google and hit allow. I'm not really into that, so I'll just keep it as is. If you want, you can get personal results even when your phone is locked. You can still get that information as if you use your Google Assistant on your earbud. So I'm gonna hit turn on for that, and I'm fine with that. I'm gonna hit done. Now that we're done, this is where you can come in here and find your device if you need to. You can check out and just ring one of the earbuds. You can go into touch controls and change those like we did before, or actually learn what they do. You got your sounds, so if you want noise cancellation on or off or transparency mode, you can do that with the button setup that you did earlier in this video. You can do your ear tip seal check, so you might have to change the buds. Like for me, I know it's telling me to put bigger earbuds, which I'll do at a later time in order to get the best ear tip seal. So it might tell you the same thing, and if it does, but otherwise you probably do want to do this to make sure that your noise cancellation is sounding its best. More settings coming in here. You can do in-ear detection, so earbuds automatically play audio when in and pause when out. You get your firmware updates if you want to do. I would do automatic updates, that way you always have the latest and greatest firmware updates when you're using these. And then your about, tips, multi-point is kind of cool. You can use your headphones to connect to any two Bluetooth devices at the same time if you turn that on. So when you're calling or when you're playing media, your headphones can automatically switch to calls on connected devices to switch to media between connected devices. Stop the media on the first device and then press play on the second. So very helpful in how to do that. And that's the setup for Android. So let's go over to the Apple side at this point. So first thing you're gonna wanna do is if you have these connected to another device, you're definitely gonna wanna turn off Bluetooth, so make sure your Bluetooth turned off. First thing you want to do on your iPhone is make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Go into settings, make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Second thing to know is that there is not a Pixel Buds app, so you're not going to have basically the same experience as you would directly on a Android phone. All right, so what you want to do is grab these earbuds. You might just be able to open up if you've never connected them to another device. You might be able to just grab them, go into settings, go into Bluetooth, and see if anything pops up down below under other devices. If it doesn't, you have this little button on the back here. What you're gonna do is press and hold that until you see this light begin blinking. You'll see, there it goes. All right, so it's blinking now. Basically hold it for like 5 seconds. See, it even, mine say Greg's Pixel Buds because I've already set it up, but I'll just tap on that. and now I can begin using them. They're connected, I can use them as is, but again, you won't be able to do any of the firmware updates or, customizing the features and things like that unless you do it on another device. So just keep that in mind. So there you guys go. That is how to connect the new Google Pixel Buds Pro to an Android phone and an iPhone. Have a great day. We'll see you down the road. Peace.